Okay guys, today we shall see about declaration tag, and in the previous session we learned about scriptlet tag. So what is the purpose of declaration tag? We shall see. What is the standard syntax to work with the declaration tag? That also we shall see today. And what is equivalent XML syntax of a declaration tag? This also we shall see. Declaration tag you can write by using left angle bracket, modulo, and exclamatory mark. Followed by you can declare a variables. Okay, you can declare a variables, and you can declare a instances of a you can declare any instances of any class, any predefined class or any custom class within this declaration tag. So what you can write here within the declaration tag. So here you can declare or declaration tag. This is note point for you. Declaration of instance variable. I can write here also. I can write at the bottom also, but let me write here only. Declaration of instance variables. Okay, and definition of user defined methods. Already we have seen this example in some previous sessions. Okay, definitions of user defined methods, as well as overriding of or definitions of JSP init, lifecycle convenience method init, and JSP destroy method. Lifecycle convenience method also you can able to write JSP destroy convenience method, convenience lifecycle methods. So you can write all this stuff. So let's see about XML syntax. Similar to JSP colon scriptlet, we have JSP colon declarations. Okay. So simply write JSP colon declaration. JSP colon declaration. This is opening tag. Followed by you can able to declare a variables, instances, and you can end the tag by using left angle bracket // JSP colon declaration. And here also you can declare the variables and the methods. Okay. Here also can able to declare the variables. Here also you can able to define the user defined methods. Even you can able to override a JSP init and JSP destroy lifecycle convenience methods. Okay. And what is the purpose of declarations? What is the code you place? What is the code you write in declarations? That will be a part of. That will be part of. That will that will be part of declaration sections within the Servlet, JSP current Servlet. So let me write what is the code you write, what is the code you place in the declaration tag comes in a equivalent JSP equivalent Servlet dot class dot Java file and dot class file, but it is outside of a JSP service method. This it should be outside of a JSP service method. Okay. Let me add note point for your reference for your notes PowerPoint. The code placed in a the code placed in or the code written or placed in a declaration tag. Declaration tag comes in JSP equivalent Servlet program outside of underscore JSP service method. Takes two parameter service method. So implicit objects are not visible in declaration tag. Implicit objects are not visible in a declaration tags. Let me add one more point. So we shall see one example. So let me add one more point. By default, JSP equivalent Servlet gives underscore JSP method underscore JSP service method service method to get other convenience methods to use declaration tag. So by default, JSP current Servlet gives JSP service method to get other convenience methods to be used in a declaration tag. Okay, guys. So let's have an example. Let's see one example. How we can able to declare methods? How we can able to declare the variables? Okay. So should I create should I use this existing application or should I use the same a new one? Huh? So last time we have created last time already we have created a web application. Let me open that same web application from the Apache Foundation, Tomcat, and web apps. So JSP tags, right? Within this JSP tag, I will create a one more JSP page and I'll give the request. What is in a web INF? You will find web.xml, you will find classes, but classes directory is empty. Web.xml is also empty. Is also empty. Fine. I'll use the same directory structure. This is scripted example. Today we shall see declaration tag. So what should I do? I'll create one JSP, one more JSP, and there I'll write a program. Alt F new others, search for JSP, and here you need to write a declaration tag. So modulo angle, and here is my modulo. Now here you can able to write the program, the method. Directly you can start writing from the top line also, or you can write at the second line also, no matter. So I'm creating a method simply the day we are created in addition, subtraction. I'm not going to do anything yet. A simple method I can able to write. That is my intention. Means in a servlet I can able to write other methods also. Okay, that is my intention is to show public void sum or addition, not a great deal, integer x, integer y, and just write the body. Write the body and chat is equal to x plus y. Return. Or here let me write int return chat. Directly I can print here also. Okay. If you want to fill really this method is called write system.out.println or create a logger. Okay. Configure the log4j tool. That log file will be displayed on the server console. Okay. Or you can use system.out.println, but it is not recommended to write the system.out.println when your application is in production mode. Okay. And directly now this is declaration tag, right? This is declaration tag. What is the code I write outside of the declarations will act as a what? Scriptlet tag na JSP service method. So what I'm doing, I wish to call the same method outside of my declaration. Now, how do I call? So let me keep here maybe h1 center just to give some beautification, nothing else. H1 center, and you can use some break, and result is or addition result is okay. And here I'm using the scriptlet tag. Okay, here I'm using scriptlet tag. What is the scriptlet tag, guys? This is my scriptlet tag, right? This is my scriptlet tag. So simply call the method, either hold a variable integer result is equal to, so sum of, even you can write the same program by using form also. You can create a form, send the request to this servlet program, sorry, this JSP program. This JSP program will get that parameters, pass the parameter into some method. Okay, call that some method. While calling the some method, pass those parameters. Some method will execute from the declaration tag. Okay, and you will get the result. Understood? How many of you executed form-based attacks, form-based JS solid programs? One. Others? Right. You can able to do these programs. Okay. So here I'm writing direct logic, but you can create a HTML page. Okay. Enter number 1, enter number 2, click on submit, give this request to this solid JSP program. Okay, and what are the parameter you are received by using get parameter, request.get parameter, folder parameter, and pass into here. I'm passing here 10 and 20, 10 and 30. Pass those request parameter here, but you need to typecast there. There you have to typecast, because what are the request parameters coming? Those request parameter by default in the form of strings, right? Okay, now semicolon and just show out.println, out.println what? res. Done. Okay, done. Note it down. Why are you wasting your time? So let me save this. Let me save this file. I'm saving this file in my JSP tags Go application. Control C. Uh, Control S. Save. Control S. I'm not saving here. I wish to go in my D Apache Software Foundation Tomcat 10 WebApps JSP tag. Let me give you an example. Let me give the JSP file name as a declaration example. Okay, declaration example. So copy, save, saved. Fine. So what should I do? I'll go to my JSP tags. I'll start the server. The server is starting. Okay, fine. So server is started now. Meanwhile, let me go to the localhost manager app. JSP tags under the JSP declaration dot JSP. I think I made some mistake. Let me check. Did I? No. Actually, why it is not running? Because I have saved the same program in full stack. CSS is full stack. Rather, I should save as. Let me go to D drive, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat 10.1, Web Apps, JSP tags, and save here. Okay, that is the issue. And just refresh the page. Result is 40. Okay, now it's a time to show you the JSP equivalent solid program. JSP equivalent solid program. So go to Tomcat. Where will you jump? Work, Catalina, localhost, for JSP org. Here you'll find two Java and two .class file. One is scriptlet, one is declaration. So I'm opening declaration. So scrolling down, can you see the same method? Okay, can you see the same method? Right? And it is being called in a service method. This is my service method, right? So scroll down. This is my new line break center. Result is HTML out.println or out.write. Okay, integer result is 30. Understood? Understood. So in this way, you can able to work with the scriptlet tag. So while writing a program, so while writing a JSP page, let me use the same code. Control C. Let me paste here. Note it down. So from here to here, we can write method body. Okay, method definition. Okay, for your understanding. And this is what here. What I'm trying to do here. Here method call. I'm calling the method. Okay, fine. So let me add some more notes point. So variables. So variable declared in declaration tags comes as a local variable of that method. Okay. So let me declare a variable also. If you declare within a method, that will be part of a local method. If you declare variables within the declaration tag above this method, okay, that will act as a class level variable, JSP current solid class level variable. Let me add that point and let me do some changes. Have you noted this example? Is it done? So let me add this. Let me add some note point. So variables declared in declaration tag comes as member variables of JSP equivalent solid program. Okay, so directly you can declare here also. Let me declare a variable here. Okay, any variable guys, integer maybe or string new string of you can create string str new string of, let me create it, csmss cscu. Okay, ठीक है, dt code 2533, save. So save. I'm not using this variable anywhere, just declared. Even you can print here also. Just I will show that recompile code. Let me give the request once again. Refresh up, or let me load that JSP. Look, what is telling now? What is telling? Do you want to reload the same JSP current solid file? बराबर है? Actually, it is available here. It is loading from here itself. Or if you are not happy, I will open from here. So this is the actual proof. Even I can show that edit plus also. This will act as a global variable. Can you see here? I can call this string variable in my sum method. Okay, I can call this string variable in my JSP init method. I can call that string variable in my underscore JSP service method. It acts as a global variable now, right? Understood? Huh? So you can declare variables also. Simply declare variable, or even you can call. If you are not happy with this, I will add here break tag. I will use simply one more, but here I need a scriptlet tag. Just if you want to see actually out.println, and here I will call here just tr scriptlet tag close. Okay, can I write this one? Can I write here? Yes or no? Save it. Save. Just refresh the page. Control F for you. Can you see? Huh? Means I declare at a globally, I can able to invoke in my all other methods. All other methods now. See now, JSP current solid. I'm loading from directly here now. I'm not going to again work cattle now folder JSP tags. Okay, again JSP solids. So directly loading from here. So click here, JSP current solid. So you will find here same string, same okay. And where is my JSP service? This is my JSP service. Scroll down. You will find out.println. What is here? String, right? Correct? Huh? Fine, guys. So what is the theoretical statement I made? It has been practically proved. Proved or not? Huh? So let me get that sample for you and let me put it here. Control C means you can able to practice. You can practice, okay? Now we shall see one more interview questions. One more interview question, that is how to differentiate declaration tag variables from scriptlet tag scriptlet tag variable being from scriptlet when both have got or both have received, both have given same variable name. Is this a valid question? Okay. Now we shall see this question now.